Hello children, this is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Welcome to Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. Already we have seen three videos. It means 30 questions we have completed. Three parts I have given, 10 questions I have given one video. So if you are not go through that, kindly just go see. It is there in the playlist. We'll see another 10 more questions from same chapter number 1. Real numbers, 1 marks. 1 marks consists MCQ. Okay, right. We'll be seeing that. One by one, we'll see all those questions. First question, already we completed 30 questions. Here I'm starting with the 31st question. Here I'm starting with the 31 question, okay? So here they are telling that P and Q are a prime. P and Q are a prime, they are telling. Then what is the HCF will be? P and Q are a prime, what is the HCF will be? Prime in the sense, there is no common factor other than 1. Okay, so first prime number, it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and P. Here it has a 2 factor, 1 and Q. That is the prime number. Prime number in the sense, other than 1, there is no factor. For this commonly what we have? Commonly we have 1 only. Commonly we have 1 only. So that HCF of P and Q always 1. When P and Q are prime number, when P and Q are prime number, HCF always 1. And LCM in the sense product of the number, you don't forget, okay, right. And what will be the prime factor of 1005? Sorry, 1005, yeah, 1005. Prime factor they are asking for 1005. So you take 1005, you divide with the 5 table, okay. Here 2 5s are 10, that 0 you write as it is, and 1 5s are 5. What it is? 1 5s are 5 we have to give, okay. 1 5s are 5 we have to give. Next, see, when I add 2, 0, 1, I am getting 3. So, then this will divisible by 3. This will divisible by 3. So, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18, remaining 2, 21. 21 in the sense is 7 3s are 21. Understand? Right. Again, when you add these together, what I am getting? 6 plus 7, I am getting 13. I am not getting that in third table. I am not getting in third table. So, prime factorization for this, what I am getting? 5, 3, 67 you will be getting. Okay, 67 you will be getting. Understand, children? That's it. So, 67 maybe will come a prime number, or we have to check this whether it is a prime or what. Okay, we have to check whether it is a prime or right. So, we have shown finally we are getting 5, 3, 67. So 67 although one of the prime, so we can stop. So that prime factor for 1005, I'm getting 5 and 3 and 67. These are the required prime factorization for 1005. Understand? Okay, let me continue with this. Question number 32, I'm going. Sorry, 32 completed. 33, let's go. So without actual dividing, determine after how many places the decimal form for 2 power 4, 5 power 3. They are telling clearly 2 power 4 and 5 power 3 will terminate. 2 power 4, 5 power 3 will terminate. After how many decimal? I gave idea. What is the highest power here? You see that 2 power 4 into 5 power 3. For one question I have given idea in my previous video. See, in the denominator, 2 power, 5 power. These two only you want to get. From this, which have highest power? Here 4 is the highest power. You see, 4 is the highest power. Now, after 4 digit, it will stop. Then after 4 digit, here they are asking, say after how many place it will stop? After 4 decimal place, it will stop. After 4 decimal place, it will stop. No need to divide. It's a shortcut. You make it shortcut. When they ask MCQ, if you are solving all this question, what is that? When you apply 2 power 4, 5 or something, after multiplying, when you divide in a long division, it will take time. So it's a shortcut, okay? So when you have highest power, we can say that it will be ending that much places. So highest power 4, no? After 4 digit, it will stop. That's it. Okay, like that. Now, write HCF of smallest composite number. Smallest composite number 4. Because 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 only starting with the first. Smallest composite number 4 and smallest prime number 2. Smallest prime number 2. Smallest prime number 2. Smallest composite number 4. And they are asking HCF for this both number. So HCF of 4 comma 2 equal to what they are asking. 4 you see, 4 you can write 2 square. 2 square equal to 4. 4 you can write 2 square. 2 you can write as a 2 power 1. 2 you can write as a 2 power 1. So what I told you, HCF in the sense product of least common powered number. Least common powered number we have to take. Here least power 2 power 1 equal to 2. That's it. That is your required answer. 2 is your required answer. Do you understand, children? 2 is your required answer. Okay. Right. Next question number 35 I'm going. Question number 35. See, complete the missing entire in the following factor trees. In the factor tree, complete the missing entries. Complete the missing entries in the following factor tree. Factor tree is given in the entries which is missing, they are asking. See, when you multiple these together, what I am getting? 21. When I multiple these together, what I am getting? 42. These are the number missing entries. These are the missing entries. We can say easily 1 for 42 and 2 21. These are the missing entries. Okay. These are the missing entries. See, you can go reverse order. These together we have to multiply, I am telling. And these together we have to multiply, I am telling. We have to multiply. It's a factor tree. It's a tree factor or a factor tree, whatever. Factor tree also multiplication. Factor itself meaning multiplication. So factor tree they are given. It means multiplication tree. We have to multiply each other 21. We have to multiply each other 42. That's it. You don't need to worry about many things. Okay. Right. Next, what they are asking, question number 36. Write rational number. Write rational number lying between root 3, root 2. Root 2 and root 3 rational number they are asking. Root 2 in the sense, what is that? 1.41, 4. Root 3 in the sense 1.732. 1.732. So these are the things they are asking. In between these two, they ask the rational. Rational in the sense which is in the form of a P by Q. Or P by Q means without a decimal means P by Q. Or rational we can give in decimal also, which is stopped rational, that is decimal. So it will be continuing like this. It will be continue. So more than that 1.5. 1.5 also one of the rational. See, it is stopped no decimal. Then 1.6 also one of the rational. They asked write a rational. Only one they asked. Only one. So I can give 1.5. If you want write this 1.5, you can write in a P by Q format also. So 1.5 divided 10. Divided 10, multiply 10. So what I am getting? 15 divided 10. When you cancel with a fifth table, 3 5s are 2 5s are, which is equal to 3 by 2 we are getting. You can stop in 3.2 or you can stop at 1.5. 1.5 means 1.5. 1.5 means 3 by 2. We can say like that also. This is also rational. No one cannot say it's not rational. It's also rational. We can give like that. But in the option, when they given MCQ means they will be giving some option. No. In the option, whether the decimal is given or a P by Q form is given. Both you want to search. Okay. Right. Now I'm going with a question number 37. Question number 37. 37 you see, if x equal to they are given something, when, then what type of number x what you will be, because x equal to they are given. Then whole question what type they are asking, what type. This is like a minus b, this is a plus b. Have you noticed this? A minus b, a plus b, it is satisfying. So a minus b, a plus b in the sense the formula, a minus b, a plus b in the sense the formula a square minus a b square. Here a value root 6. So you apply here root 6 whole square minus a b value root 5 whole square you apply. Now you see children, the square this will be cancelled. Square and this will be cancelled. Now what I am getting? 6 minus 5 which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. 1 what you will say? A rational or irrational? We have to say it's a rational. We have to say it's a rational. Because 1 it's not a irrational. Irrational in the sense square root of any prime number is called irrational. It's not a prime number. There is no root also. We can say it's a rational number. Understand? Right. Next question. I'm going with the question number 38. I'm going with the question number 38. State whether 17 by 18 will have terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating? Terminating or a non-terminating? I told you already, terminating, non-terminating in the sense, we have to check 2 power m into 5 power n in denominator. Denominator should in the form of this type only. But here 8 is there in denominator. 8 how you will write? 2 power 3. 5 is not there, you don't worry. 5 is not there. We can give 5 power 0 because anything power 0 that is 1. 5 power 0 equal to 1. But don't say anything power 0 equal to 1 because 0 power 0 not equal to 1. Okay, but here 5 power 0 equal to 1. So 2 power 3 into 1, same 8 only. There is no changes. So this question in the form of 2 power something, 5 power something. Power should belongs to positive integer. 0 also positive integer only. No, we can take. Okay. So this is what actually terminating decimal expansion. This is terminating decimal expansion. Do you understand? It is terminating decimal expansion. Next question number 39. They are telling n is odd integer. N is odd integer. N square minus 1 divisible by which number they are asking? N is odd integer, they said no. Odd number we know. What is odd number? 1, 3, 5, 7 and it will be going. This is odd number. One by one you just substitute. What we are getting, let's see. So 1 if you are giving now, 1 square minus 1 equal to 0. It means 1 square what you will be getting? 1 square 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Like that if you are giving 3 square minus 1 equal to 3 square 9. 9 minus 1 8. Next 5 square if you are giving 5 square minus 1. 5 square 25. 25 minus 1 24. 24 we can write it 3 times of 8. So this number everything coming by 8. So this is divisible by 8. So we have to say this is divisible by 8. Which number means 8? N square minus 1 is divisible by 8 when n is odd integer. When n is odd integer, this is divisible by 8 we have to say. Understand children? Next question number 40 we are going. 40 question will go. Here it is there. See question number 40. If P is a prime, then find HCF and LCM of these two number. P is a prime. Prime in the sense 2, 3, 5, 7. It's going like this. You take any two number or one number. First you check. You substitute. Suppose it's a 2. If I'm taking 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is HCF for 2 and 3? HCF of 2 and 3 what? HCF of 2 and 3. There is no common means 1. There is no common means 1. LCM in the sense we have to multiply together. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Like that we have to give. Understand? Suppose if you are giving some other number. Sir, we will give some big number, sir. We'll give 7. Let's check what it is coming. Let's check what it is coming. Let's check. See, if I'm giving P value 7. I'm giving P value 7 and P plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. So this is 7 and 8. 8 in the sense 2 power 3. 2 power 3. So what I'm getting, you see here, HCF in the sense there is no common. HCF in the sense there is no common 1. But LCM in the sense there is no common things, no. So we can multiply each other. 7 8s are 64. Like that you can give. So LCM is equal to 7 into 8. 7 into 8 you can give. Okay, 7 8s are 5 6. So that's it. So this is your thing. 5 6. That is your thing. So based on your selecting point it will change. Okay, right. Next. Oh, that's it. We have done, what is that, 10 question in this video. Right, fine. Then fourth video, what is that, fourth video completed. We'll see in the next video with another 10 question. Stay with the Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel children. I will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.